Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Superfoods for gorgeous skin. We all desire radiant and flawless skin, and what we eat can help a significant role in achieving that. So without wasting our time, let us dive into our list of superfoods that can help you to achieve that enviable glow. First on our list are berries, such as blueberries, strawberries and raspberries. These little powerhouses are rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin C. Antioxidants helps to fight free radicals that can damage our skin cells and lead to premature aging. Vitamin C aids to collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Moving on to avocados. They are not only delicious but also great for your skin. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that provide essential fatty acid. These fats helps to keep your skin moisturized and supple, while vitamin E contributes to skin repair and protection against UV damages. Next up, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fishes are loaded with omega 3 fatty acid, which are known for their anti inflammatory properties. Omega 3 helps to maintain the skin's natural barrier, reducing redness and promoting a clear complexion. Let us talk about spinach now. This leafy green is rich in nutrients like vitamin A, which supports skin cell production and repair. It also contains iron, which helps to carry oxygen to skin cells, promoting a healthy glow. Nuts and seeds like almond, walnuts, flax seeds are fantastic for your skin. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats which nourishes your skin from inside out. For example, zinc. It supports the skin's healing process, while selenium acts as an antioxidant. Moving on to sweet potatoes. These are rich in beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A helps to prevent the skin from becoming dry and flaky, promoting a smoother complexion. Let us not forget about beverages. Green tea is a wonderful option for skin health. It contains catechin, which have been shown to improve skin hydration, elasticity, and protect against UV damages. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe the irritated skin. Last but not the least, we have a treat for you. It's dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is rich in antioxidants which can improve blood flow to the skin, providing it with an essential nutrient and a healthy glow. There you have it, our list of superfoods for gorgeous skin. By consuming these nutrient packed foods into your diet, it can make a noticeable change in your health and appearance of your skin. Remember, a balanced diet along with a proper skincare routine is a key to achieve that radiant complexion that you have always wanted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.